we have triangle ABC. We're given three important pieces of information. Angle C is exactly 30 degrees. Side AC is 2 units long. And side AB is the square root of 2 units. Our goal is to find the exact area of the triangle. Now, you could solve this with trigonometry, using the law of sines or the law of cosines. But there's a much cleaner approach. And once you see it, you'll probably never forget it. Here's the trick. Drop a perpendicular from point A straight down to the base BC. Let's call the foot of that perpendicular point D. With one simple line, we've split the original triangle into 2 right triangles. Now, focus on triangle ADC. We already know angle D is 90 degrees, and angle C is 30 degrees. That means the remaining angle at A must be 60 degrees. So this is a classic 30-60-90 triangle. And that gives us some very powerful side ratios. In any 30-60-90 triangle, the side opposite 30 degrees is half the hypotenuse, and the side opposite 60 degrees is that shorter side multiplied by the square root of 3. Since the hypotenuse AC is 2, the shorter leg, AD, must be 1, and the other leg, CD, is 1 multiplied by the square root of 3, which is simply the square root of 3. Now let's move to the triangle on the left, triangle ADB. We already know that AD equals 1. The hypotenuse AB is the square root of 2. Let's call the remaining side, BD, B. Now apply the Pythagorean Theorem. Leg squared plus leg squared equals hypotenuse squared. So b squared plus 1 squared equals the square root of 2 squared. 1 squared is 1, and the square root of 2 squared is simply 2. So b squared plus 1 equals 2. Subtract 1 from both sides, and we get b squared equals 1. Taking the positive square root gives us b equals 1. Now we're ready for the final step. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. The entire base BC is made up of 2 pieces. BD is 1, and DC is the square root of 3. So the total base is 1 plus the square root of 3. The height is AD, which is simply 1. Now substitute everything into the area formula. Area equals 1/2 times the quantity 1 plus the square root of 3 times 1. So the exact area of the triangle is the quantity 1 plus the square root of 3, all divided by 2. If you check that on a calculator, it's approximately 1.37 square units. Were you able to solve it before the final answer? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.